the right person come, she won't know. Because a lot of us get hurt by the man who we love. And then when you look, when the right one come, we run them away. When we treat the right one like gold, we treat them like blood clot, silver. You understand what I say? All who go on within herself, she have deep love for him. She have genuine and deep love for him. But she has set her boundaries now. She has set her boundaries now. You understand? As women say, Jade Bumbleclad, me drop out of ranking. Bumbleclad. Guys, understand one galaxy and put me back in a ranking? As women say, my Miss Triple need to tell Jayden, if you don't want this little girl, leave her alone. Because you're going to cut her deep if you fuck with her again. I'm going to cut her deep if you fuck with her again. And then again, it two of them have to take some things off of the media. Take some things off of the media. Again, I mean, it two of them young, but I mean, like, take some things off of the media. Alright, because, alright, Fabbi always have, let me tell you, two of them, nobody not perfect. Nobody not perfect. Nobody not perfect. And right as so, me see one little sticky part tonight. Because I remember some of Fabbi little ways, and I remember some of Jayden little ways. Right? Remember, you know, Fabbi is a dominant person over Jayden. Fabbi is very dominant over Jayden. You understand? Because Fabbi have that dominant behavior from a longer time. So if Jayden and him do, him not gonna like certain way she talk to him, him not gonna like the way him talk to her. Because the two of them put up a dominant behavior to them one another. If you not understand what I mean. Jayden as the man, I try to rule Fabbi on the internet, and Fabbi as the woman, I go try and reply back with a aggressive voice. And it's a little she easily forget vexed sometime and him something. So it as I say, the two of them just have to know what they want, but take some things off of the media. You see, like how when Jayden did it with Big C, you never really know if him and Big C argue or anything like that. I think if you continue upon that same track there. So if him and Fabbi argue, them not have to make the internet know as much. You understand what I say? And then again too, boys, guys, me just see, I see some whole heap of things, you know, but them young, and I mean, if them in love or them love, them have to just work it out. Jamaican TikTok is wild. Them just have to work it out. Them have to do what best for them. Them started one change so far, instead of referring to each other by their names, instead of bro. That is a good thing. And that is good. You know, make no sense, Jayden a bro, Fabbi no, call on by the name, and that is good. Two of them can put up a level of maturity, you know. Two of them can put up a level of maturity. Nothing wrong with that. Two of them can put up a level of maturity. Yes, I think so too. Them give themselves a little break and fi set boundaries or something. So my little growth is sure. Exactly, customer. Them have to know, them can't make the whole media tell them what to do and what to do and them thing there. You understand? At the end of the day, you don't live for the media, you know, you live for yourself because you have a life. And then again too, Fabi, you have to understand, say when you have a man, you have to try to compromise. Mm-hmm. When you have a man, you have to try to compromise. You have to try to compromise when you have a man. Not even just a man alone. In a relationship overall, you have to compromise. Yeah, both of them have to. And if them follow comment section, especially Fabi comment section, if Fabi keep on a follow her comment section, she not gonna happy. So Fabi have to just know what she want. You understand? Fabi have to just know what she want. Jayden not making comment section ruling, but Fabi will make her comment section ruler. But Fabi have to just know what she want. Jayden have to know what he want. And then it will work. Because they're nice together. You understand? When you talk about Jayden and Fabi, you know, you talk about series. You understand what I say? Yeah. Exactly. Even part right. Should bills be 50-50? Somebody have that strong question. Thank you very much, Brit. Comment section need to leave the people them alone. The comment section, them type it too much. Commentators wanna type it too much about people life. You know go like a Fabia, brother, sister. Type it too much, man. Some man wanna live some worse life out there and want to tell people on the internet what to do because when to do it, how to do it. Because a customer support me. So customer say, Kitty, I don't want you to be with that man. Choose your support me. Customer gonna allow me, huh? That's what me other say, you know. Queen Royal, when you're grown, a man never clone you out yet. Queen Royal, at this me not like we don't know. Uno behave like uno live perfect life. Uno behave like uno live perfect life. Jayden and Fabi, young and then can work together. Stop going like say Jayden is a bad person. Yes, what him do was wrong. But him look on it and him apologize and him a growth. Me see the growth in a Jayden. Me see the big man in a Jayden now. Me see the growth. You understand? Me see the growth. Me see the big man in him and me see the growth. People do make mistakes. Anything you want to say. Me see the growth in him for true. Yeah, you see, bless. Listen now, Queen Royal. Right now, you are behaved like you proper and perfect, you know. And one thing we do know, you know. And somehow, we are behave like we're proper and perfect. A fool no pitney them come be all these type of things. You understand what I say? Stop going like say we're perfect. We're not perfect. Yes, we as female have to set boundaries. But it's about daily life where you live and you learn. 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 You behave like you prim and proper. Me not like how you are going right now. You know you behave like you live. No man never do you no eat or nothing at all. Me not like how you are going right now in my comment section, lady. How this?
Hi.
Yes, yeah, say, yeah, yes, Queen Royal, you're saying I'm not perfect, I'm far from perfect, but I'm just saying what we allow is what we get. Boy. Queen Royal, you're not boy pitney. You're not one boy pitney. You're not no nephew, you're not no nephew, you're not no uncle. You ever tell me say your boy pitney and your uncle and nephew treat woman so good? Them never do nothing for fuck up yet? Hmm? And though you would have want, if your nephew, if your nephew, if your uncle, if your son have one nice girl and him fuck up, you would talk to your daughter-in-law to give him a next chance. Stop behave like say. You see me not like you know. You know say me not really like how no go on. Stop going like say if you not have one, if your son, cause I have a son. And if me say me have one nice daughter-in-law, and not even only nice daughter-in-law, but a nice female pan a hole. If me say my son have a female pan a hole and him do something bad and fuck up, and my daughter-in-law come and talk to me about it, one, him have to apologize to her. Two, that cannot happen again. You understand? And me say, alright, my daughter-in-law, give him a second chance. Say, daughter-in-law, give him a second chance. You understand? That mother said to my daughter-in-law, give him a second chance. So me know we are going like say, you're lady go on here, man, cause right now me can't take it stress with you, know. You give me too much perfect vibes, like, you know what? You give me too much perfect vibes right now. You go say what we accept or what we get. Thank you very much. Man, the woman bad and worse than Fabi, and the woman then go back multiple times over and over. People can get second chance. People can get second chance. I don't see nothing wrong with getting second chance. People can get second chance. Nothing wrong with that. Exactly. Who we are to judge. We just step on the outside. I don't know warm to them. Them have to behave like say them too perfect, man. On a too perfect perf up. Now look how Fabi happy now. That is all she want. She wanted this long time ago. Fabi wanted this. She was just afraid of the media bashing her. Look how she happy. Happiness matters. Happiness matters. Happiness matters. I can't stand some of them, man. No. When for relax, man. Exactly. See, the girl, I feel glad.